Welcome to ArtMagic.
Drawing a cute version of Patrick Star, SpongeBob SquarePants' best friend, can be a fun and easy activity for kids. Near the top of the U shape, draw two large, round eyes next to each other. Add a smaller circle inside each eye for the pupils, and color them black. Draw a large upside-down U shape in the center of your paper. This will be the main part of Patrick's body. On each side of the U shape, draw two curved lines extending outward to form his arms. At the bottom of the U shape, draw two short, rounded rectangles for his legs. The lines should angle slightly downwards. Under the nose, draw a wide, smiling mouth. You can add a small curve at each corner of the mouth to make it look extra happy. Draw a straight line across Patrick's body, about halfway down from the top. Color Patrick's body in a light pink shade. Be creative with your colors and have fun adding any extra details. Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, ArtMagic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring.
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, you know, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.